right, we are looking at number 5, and we're going to do number 5 from the Unit 8, Lesson 8 notes as synthetic division. So we're going to set it up. We're going to have our divisor square, and then we're going to do our coefficients. All right, and I've got some colors to help me out. So I'm going to grab the coefficient of this first term. It's going to go here. I'm going to look for the next term. And now I want them to go in order. So I have degree 3, so the next coefficient needs to be degree 2. I have a degree 2, so I'm going to grab that coefficient. The next one is a degree 1, which exists, so I'm going to grab that coefficient. And then I should have a degree 0, which I have. A degree 0 basically means a variable does not appear. And I'm going to grab that coefficient. I'm going to put my floor, giving myself 1 line's worth of space for me to do my work. And then right here, I'm going to put another little bar. This is my remainder section. So if I have anything in there, it will become a remainder. If I have nothing in there, then this does not have a remainder. Last things last, I need to put something in my divisor square. This is going to give me my divisor square, but I do need to change the sign of it first. It is currently a positive 9, so in my divisor square will be a negative 9. On your notes, you may want to write off to the side, step 1, step 2, step 3, until you get to the point where we start repeating. Step 1, bring this first number down. Step 2, take your divisor number and multiply it to this first number. The answer goes right here. Step 3, add straight down. And now you're going to repeat steps 2 and 3 until there's nothing left to do. So step 2 was to take your divisor number and multiply it and write the answer here. Step 3 was to add straight down. This thing has a remainder. So, remainder, this term is your x to the 0 term. That means you won't see a variable when you write it. And this is your x to the first term. The same way that this was your x. Wait.
That's x.
I've skipped something.
What?
Rats! I skipped a column.
You skipped the 4.
I skipped the 4 column.
I was wondering what's going on.
Yep. Say it next time. Oh my God. Okay, hang on. I have whiteout. Can fix. I have whiteout. We're good. And I'm going to leave this in the raw cut, and I'm going to post this on my Instagram. Oh, dear Lord. Okay. Yes. Okay, so then that's going to go here, and that's going to go here. There it is. Okay.
You should edit it to focus on the moment you messed up.
That can, you can clip that. That can be a highlight reel. Okay. Oh, sweet. Sweet monkey Jesus.
Oh, okay. I'm phoning you on that. So let's see. We got.
Oh wait, since it's a positive
Sweet. What was it again? Sweet monkey.
Sweet monkey Jesus. All right, did the colors help you track what I was doing this time?
Yes.
Okay. And now we're okay, I'm going to write along the top. This is an x squared coefficient. That means there's no variable. This is an x to the first coefficient. This was the x squared coefficient. This was the x to the third coefficient. As evidenced by this thing up here. Yes? Yes, yes, yes. Okay, so then down here, your coefficients are all, your exponents, excuse me, are all one less. So this is your x to the negative first coefficient. That's why it's your remainder.
What is that?
This is your x to the 0 coefficient. That means that this will not have a variable. This space is your x to the first power, which means it's going to have a variable with power 1. And this is your x squared. Notice how in each case, your answer powers are one less than your setup powers. Let me try to zoom out just a little bit.
Miss, I'm still not enjoying this.
Okay, and now that I know what powers go with what, now I'm going to write my answer. So this answer is going to be 1x squared, no x's, minus 4x0, so I don't need a variable, no remainder. This is my final answer.